are actually really comfortable, I have to say.
That's cool.
Finals clear.
Okay.
Yep.
Copy. Full power. Okay.
That's alright.
Takeoff power is set. Tensions on the green. Right rudder. Airspeed's alive. Positive climb, you're up.
Right, further right. And yep, hold it heading.
Hotel Airborne 04, have a nice flight, goodbye.
Goodbye, thank you, Delta Hotel.
So you can choose to fly the circuit or along the mountainside.
I'm gonna turn left shortly.
Okay. Oh, nice, around the...
After Takeoff checklist, you're up. That's coming up. Time power, 25.
Just fly around this little bit of hell.
25. Post pump off. Landing light off. Sorry, what?
Just the houses underneath, try and avoid them a little, so we don't go over top.